So my third point is the fact that this is for people that already studied the Bible using commentaries. Right? I'm not saying not to use commentaries, but you need to be aware that those are words written by fellow believers, brethren, certainly, that have spent their time, their life in searching the scriptures, having understanding of it. So they are very useful, but they have their place. And this is what I'd like you to take away. Remember that they are words written by men. So what you should do instead is, your first point of call is using the scriptures, reading the scriptures. And if truly we spend time with it, there will be times you don't understand. I went through that. I went through phases, even now, that there are things or places in scripture that I have no understanding. It's okay, because we don't have to understand everything. But if it's something the Lord wants to teach you, maybe if you persevere, you will have understanding. And if it doesn't come, good enough. One of the other things I realized about the scriptures is the fact that scripture explains itself. Yesterday I was reading somewhere in the book of Isaiah, I think chapter 10. I can't remember exactly where that is, and I don't have my Bible obviously with me now, but when I get home I'll put it on the screen. In that part, there were things that were said before, and in the next few verses there was explanation, because imagine if I stopped in the first few verses that I read and left it, I would not have had understanding. But as I carried on reading, I said, oh, this is the explanation to what was being said before. And there are lots of examples like that in scriptures. So scripture interprets itself or explains itself, because it's a complete work. So be encouraged if there are places or things you don't understand. And if you have persevered and you still don't understand, I must say it's okay to see what our brethren, our brothers earlier that have gone before us, the explanation they probably have for that aspect of the scripture that you are reading. I mean, commentaries. So if you're getting value from this video, can you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? So I hope you agree with me about the place of commentary, that they should not replace you studying the scripture personally. In fact, so to say, some books are like that, because maybe a book that somebody's written about faith, they're using verses of scriptures to explain their understanding about a particular theme or concept that we have in the scriptures. So this is, so to say, similar to reading commentaries. So I would not say that you should not use them, but they've got their place, and I hope that I've made sense to you with regards to the use of commentaries. So that is my third point. So thank you for watching, and if you're somebody that is interested in personal study of the scriptures, I'm going to put a link here to how you can use the SOAP method, which is a very useful and easy beginner-friendly method of studying the scriptures, whether you want to study a section of the scriptures or you want to study just a verse. And in the next episode,